Hey guys, Ricky Cureton here with Berry Business Systems. We're out at Rspa today, Retail Solution Providers Association. We're putting in some great technology, working together with Intel and Rspa, collaborating on some new technology. I kind of want to show it off to you today. So come along, follow me, let's check this stuff out. You can see over here is Josh. He is helping us set all this up. So what we're doing, we've got a point of sale system here. We're putting in some nice displays all around the blue space. And if you're like us, you're a retail solutions provider, you've got this technology in place, you can manage this stuff without having to roll a truck. Even if the machine turns off, you can power it back up through this mesh commander as long as you have an i5 or i7 processor in that unit. So Josh, if you can show us how that works. If you can see, the unit is off right up here. It's powered down. And he has the controls right here to power that unit back up. Now typically, in most scenarios, the operating system has to be running for that to happen, for you to be able to do anything. And you can't see, once it powers off, you've lost your connection. You can't see and you have to wait on it to power back up. Well, with this process, you see everything that's going on, all the data that's coming through. Even if it fails to boot up, you'll see that right on your screen that it's failed. This gets right down to the BIOS level. So it's really good for our techs and our tech support, so that we can help our customers and not have to roll a truck. All right. So got Josh here. He's going to tell you a little bit more about this because he knows a lot more about it than I do. So,
yeah, so it's a great technology that we put into the higher end products that we have. Lots of great partners we have between FEC, Toshiba, HP, all of kind of the major point of sale players. Allows us to have that connection and then make it so that we can really debug the issues whenever they come out, and the hard ones where you've got a blue screen or any sort of other issue.
All right, this is Torre, and he's with Intel, and he's going to show us the coffee bar that they've set up and the digital signage that goes along with it. This has some AI technology built into it so that it can identify the product that you're actually picking up and using and show it up on the display. Torre, show us all about it.
Sure. So like Ricky just said, this is kind of a cool and interesting application of artificial intelligence and deep learning. So what we have here is a point of sale device, standard off the shelf, and a USB based camera that's actually looking at our coffee machine. So you have a standard Keurig, and if you could kind of zoom in here, you can see what the camera is seeing. The camera is looking directly into the Keurig receptacle where you're going to put the K-cup that you're going to make for your cup of coffee. So basically the ability for the artificial intelligence algorithm to recognize the specific kind of coffee that you're looking at. So it would flash up on the big digital sign exactly the SKU that you're looking at. You can see here it tells you the area that the camera is being able to detect. And what's really interesting about this is there's a lot of applications, use cases. We just saw that it can tell you which SKU. You could think about this as a potential tool for advertising in the future. Depending on what K-cup you're selecting, you could add specific promotions to purchase other things in the retail environment for that. In the future, you have ways of connecting the Keurig and the coffee that you identify to, for example, the point of sale application that you can actually process payments automatically through what you already know that the customer is purchasing, what coffee they're purchasing. So a lot of cool uses. This is definitely something that different retailers might want to utilize differently for their needs.
Thank you for that explanation. We really appreciate that. So I'd love to show this to you, bring you over here to the RSPA Blue Space and give you a demo. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day. Bye.